Problem 10. Three forces acting at the center of gravity of a block are shown in the figure. The direction of 300 Newton forces may vary, but the angle between them is 40 degree. This is this 300 and this 300, the angle between them is 40 degree. Determine the value of theta for which the resultant of three forces is directed parallel to the plane. It is not written. Actually, this is the value of theta. We need to find out. We need to find theta. And here the data given as the resultant of these three forces is directed parallel to the plane along this inclined plane along the x axis. So, here the resultant is horizontal, that is nothing but along x axis, then component will become, since r is horizontal, so rx will become r, ry will become 0. Then we will simplify this problem. So, I am going to write inclined plane, I am going to take it as x axis, that is horizontal axis. Then perpendicular to that, I am going to take it as y axis. So, this will be x, this will be y. So, we will write down the forces. We have 300, here also 300 Newton force, then here we have 500, Newton force. Then this plane is making an angle of 30 degree with respect to horizontal. Here the angle is theta and this angle is 40 degree, and this angle it is given as 30 degree. So, the procedure is same. First we need horizontal angle for the inclined forces. For this inclined force, horizontal angle is theta. For this inclined force, the horizontal angle will be 40 plus theta. Then for this inclined force, the horizontal angle is 30 degree. First step is over. Then we need splitting of inclined forces. For that, behind the arrowhead, draw nearby horizontal and vertical. Here the horizontal and vertical are x and y axis. So, draw parallel lines with respect to x and y axis. So, here also behind the arrowhead draw, okay, here it will come like this. Next we need to go for sigma fx and sigma fy, but here the sigma fx is equal to r, but we do not want the r value, we need theta. So, take the second equation where ry is equal to 0, ry is equal to sigma fy. So, let us calculate sigma fy, only the vertical force and vertical component. So, horizontal component leave it, vertical component moving upward plus component is f sin theta, that is 300 into sine of horizontal angle is theta. Then horizontal component leave it, vertical component is plus 300 into sine of horizontal angle is 40 plus theta. Then here the horizontal component leave it, vertical component moving downward minus f sin theta, that is 500 into sine of 30 degree, that should be equal to 0. That should be equal to 0. So, divide this equation by 300. just for simplification, we are going to get sin theta plus sin of 40 plus theta minus 500 into sin 30. If we calculate, you are going to get it as minus 0.833. Move it to the right hand side, it will become plus 0.833. Then it is of the form sin A plus sin B. For sin A plus sin B, we have the formula 2 sin of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2, where A is theta, B is 40 plus theta. By using the formula, we have 2 into sin of A plus B by 2, that is theta plus 40 plus theta divided by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. A is theta minus B, that is minus 40 minus theta divided by 2. Then that should be equal to 0.833. So, solve it. 2 into sin of, here 2 theta plus 40 divided by 2. If we divide it by 40, you are going to get it as 20 plus theta. Then into cos of, here theta theta get cancel, minus 40 by 2, it will become minus 20. So, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta only. So, it will become 20. That should be equal to 0.833. Then keep the unknown one side, that is sin of 20 plus theta. Then move all other terms to the other side. It will become 0.833 divided by 2 into cos of 20. You are going to get it as 0.443. Then calculate 20 plus theta, that is sin inverse of 0.443. You are going to get it as 26.31. Therefore, theta is equal to 26.31 minus 20, that is 6.31 degree. Thank you.